Okay, so IUPC nomenclature of ketones. So here there are variety of examples we can discuss. Okay, right. So now if ketone condition second, in fact condition third, aromatic we have done. If ketone, or we can say if carbonyl is a part of, if carbonyl is a part of ring, if carbonyl is a part of ring, so what will be the name? For example, so name will be cycloalkanones. Name will be cycloalkanone. For example, now see, this is the structure before you. How will you name this compound? How will you name this? Yes, it is simply cyclohexanone. Cyclohexanone. Simply cyclohexanone. Right, good. Next point. Write about this one. What you will say for this? What you say for this one? What you say for this one? Yes. Right. Okay. So there is a list of compounds. Right. Okay, fine. Now, see, if I am writing this example, cyclopentanone. Cyclopropanone. Right? Okay. So now, if we are having this examples, so now what I have done, I have shown here one bromine on the ring. So number one always goes to the carbonyl carbon, and there this will take number two. Okay, fine. There are two functional groups here. One is carbonyl carbon, another is bromine. So what will be the name? Yes, that's right. 2-bromo-cyclohexanone. Name will be 2-bromo-cyclohexanone. Right? That's right. 2-bromo-cyclohexanone is the correct name. Now what will happen if I am using the examples? One bromine here and one more bromine here. So rules will be, there will be no change in the rules at all. No change in the rule at all. There are three functional groups. One is carbonyl. Next is halogen. Third is also halogen. So there will be no change in the rule. There will be yes, and that's all. Number one always goes to this. Now you can go direct clockwise or anti-clockwise, no problem. So I will go like this: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here we have to mention the position of carbonyl also. Here also we have to mention. Here also, what will be the name? 2, 6. Dibromocyclohexane. 1 ol. This is the correct name. 2,6-dibromocyclohexane 1 ol. Right? Yes. Now see. Now let us take this example. This is the example before you now. And I am writing here bromine. Now there are how many functional groups? This is the correct name. 2,6, not 2,1,3. This is the new structure before you. There are three functional groups. There are three functional groups. One of them is carbonyl, which take always number 1. Then double bond on bromine. We must know this idea. Priority of functional groups. Double bond is always superior than halogen. So we have to go clockwise. We have to go clockwise. So we can write number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5. So this name will be 6 bromo. 6 bromo. Cyclo hex 2 ene 1O. That's right. 6 bromo cyclohex 2 ene 1O. That's right. Yes, right. Right. Okay. Next example. Suppose I am writing this one. I am writing this one. Suppose this is the example before you. So see, we are changing the functional groups. We are trying to take some diversified example for our understanding here. So no novelty, very similarities are there. So numbering will be how? Numbering will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So second position and fourth position we have double bond. So this will be cyclo pen 2, 4 diene 1O. Yes, that's right. Cyclopent, not cyclohex, cyclopent. Cyclopent 2, 4 diene 1O, right? Yes. So we can explore this idea like this. Now, let us have another example. What will happen and what you say for this one? So if we have two carbonyls, what is the name for this? And let us have a related structures so it will be easy to understand. Yes, that's good. Cyclohexane 1,4-dione. Cyclohexane 1,2-dione. Cyclohexane, that's good. 1,3-dione. Very good. So like this. Like this, we can write the structures of compound. Okay. Let us have a few examples more from ketones only. Now see, this is acetophenone. Its common name is acetophenone. It is symmetric ether. Sorry, it is symmetric ketones or asymmetric ketone. What is your answer? It is symmetric or asymmetric ketone. This is asymmetric ketone, no doubt. Acetophenone is the common name. No doubt, though it is accepted by the IUPAC. But our aim is to write its IUPAC name. Our aim is to write, yes, that is asymmetric. So how will you write the name? How will you write the name? Now listen. Its name is, now see, this carbonyl carbon carry number 1 and outside this another second one. So ethanone 2 carbon, ethane and carbonyl, but we have phenyl group attached here, so I can say phenylethanone. It is now phenylethanone is 100% correct IUPC name of acetophenone. Very good. That is also possible, but numbering is not required. One phenyl, one ethanol is also good, but that is not required. When numbering is required, we will see example now. See, we will take example. Now, here there is a necessity of numbering. Reason is what? See now. If I am give number like this 1, 2, 3. So what we can say? Propanone. It is a very important topic, okay? Propanone. So I can write propane. But position is really important. So propane, 1 on. And there is a phenyl at one position. So the correct name will be, complete name will be 1 phenyl propane 1 on. That's all. So why here numbers are required, why here not number required? That can be we can understand it by taking this example, right? So now I am writing same example now. See, having one more example for see here. One, two, three carbon. Now see, I have shown same structure, same number of carbon, but I have changed the position of carbonyl carbon. So what is the name you are expecting for this one? Yes. What is the name we are expecting for this? Numbering from this side is always will. 1 phenyl, yes, that's right. 1 phenyl. 1 phenyl. Propane. Propane. 2. 1 phenyl. Propane. 2. That's right. That's right. That's right. So like this, we have a diversity of examples. Next condition will be fourth condition. What is the fourth condition? If other Fg are also part of the ketone, other functional group present. If other functional groups present in the ketone, so there will be no need to worry about it. Rules will be as it is exact. For example, now see, this is the structure. There are 2 Fgs, carbonyl as well as hydroxyl. So what you will say? Yes. What you say for this one? Yes. What you will say for this one? It is what? This is, yes, 3 hydroxy pentane 2. That's it. 3 hydroxy pentane 2. That's right. That is right. Now see, if we have this one, so we already done this. So we will not touch to that one. Already we have done. Now this one. Suppose here now, this is the aldehyde functional group. It is a ketone functional group. This is the aldehyde functional group. This is the ketone functional group. Yes, that's right. This one. This is the aldehyde functional group. This is the ketone functional group. So now there is a selection rule, and it is very simple to select. It is very, very simple to select. So though it looks like a confusing structure, but very simple. What you do? First, you number the chain. This is the chain. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. We have numbered the chain. Now you see, what is the number of aldehyde group? Number 1. And what is the number of ketone? Number 3. Follow the rule. Rule says that minimum number should goes to functional group. Rule says that IUPC name rule, minimum number or smallest number should goes to functional group. This is the smallest number. This is our selection. So how many carbon? 4 carbon. Sorry. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So butanol. Butanol is the name. But what about this? What about this? So third position, there is a oxygen. So we can write 3-oxobutanol. 3-oxobutanol. The name will be 3-oxobutanol. So hope you understand this. So let us try for another. Yes. What is the name? All of you. And what did you say for this one also? Yes. Yes. 2-oxopropanol. That's all. 2-oxopropanol. What about this? What about this? 2-oxopropanol. 2-oxopropanol. Right. What about this? 2-oxopropanol. What do you feel for this one? 4-oxopentanol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4-oxopentanol. 4-oxopentanol. That's right. That's right. 4-oxopentanol. Right. It is 4-oxopentanol. Right. Right. Okay, fine. Fine. Okay. Now, if you say take this one ring, if you take this ring, and here I am having CHO. So now there are two again. There are two functional groups on the ring. So there is a decision. There should be decision for this compound. What decision you will take now? What decision we will take now? So see, there are two methods of naming this. One is this. This is the benzaldehyde. This is the benzaldehyde, and this is what? Acetophenone. This is the acetophenone, and this is the benzaldehyde. So there are two rules, but whenever we have this functional group, so how we can name? So take acetophenone your main name. Take acetophenone your main name. This become formyl group. This become formyl group. This is the one more name. Another possibility is take this aldehyde as the main name, and this automatically become the branch or substituent. So we can say, so this is the problem for us. There is a problem for us. So what to do? Rule says that, so this will not come in your exam, no problem. But what we should know this for NEET and GW. So remember this. Now check which is the sensitive group, which is the sensitive functional group, which is the sensitive functional group. We will find that this easily oxidizable. Sensitive means easily oxidizable. So this is the easily oxidizable group. This will be your main part. So this group become acetyl group. So we can write 1, 2, 3. So 3 acetyl benzaldehyde. 3 acetyl benzaldehyde. 3 acetyl benzaldehyde. Okay. Another example. So right. Okay. So other examples are easy for us because we have taken almost all the examples which are challenging for us. Let us go few more examples for more clarity, right? See here. Okay, right. See here. This is the example now. This is the example before you. So what will the name? What will you think? And what you suggest? What you will suggest the name for this compound? Because when we have cyclohexane and one ring is having carbonyl ketonic group. So what name you will think for this? What name you will think for this one? So no need to worry about it. Very simple. Stick to rules. Rule says that. What rule says? Find the functional group attached ring. Very good. That is the name. But no, Vaishnavi, wrong. See now. See now. What rule says? It is a ketone. Ketone. It is not the aldehyde. So there are two rings. Which ring is having carbon? This ring. So you write cyclohexanone. Right? Yes. Yes. And numbering, give numbering. So at second position, there is a ring that is cyclohexyl. So we can write. So you got it very simple. 2 cyclohexyl. Write the position of ketone. So I can write 2 cyclohexyl, cyclohexane, 1-one. That's all. Cyclohexane, 1-one is the correct IUPAC. Let us try this one. Yes. What do you say for this compound? What do you think for this compound? Then write the name. What do you think for this compound? And try to write the name. Okay. This one. And this one. Fine. These are the structures we can think about it. Right? So these are the structure. What you can say? What you can say for this? What do you say for this one? What do you say for this structure? Yes, think about it. It is what? 1 cyclohexyl 2 methyl propane 1. That's right. This will be number 1, number 2, number 3. So we have 1 at cyclohexyl, 2 methyl. So we can write 1 cyclohexyl, 2 methyl, propane 1-one. That's it. What about this? What about this? What do you think for this one? This is yes. Very good. 1, 2, 3. So 2 cyclohexyl, 2 methyl. That's it. What is this? No, it is not 1 cyclohexyl. 1 carbon 1 is always functional group of aldehyde. So it is 2 cyclohexyl. 2 cyclohexyl, 2 methyl, propanol. Propanol. Right. What for this? What do you think for this one? What do you think for this structure? Yes. What do you think for this structure? Right? Yes, suggest the name. Suggest the IUPAC name. This will be yes. 1, 2, 3. So at one position we have a cyclopropyl. So we can write 1 cyclopropyl, 1 cyclopropyl, cyclopropane, 1 cyclopropyl, cyclopropane, 1 carbonaldehyde. we can write this as a 1 cyclopropyl, 1 cyclopropane, 1 carbonaldehyde. So hope you understand all the IUPC nomenclature we have mentioned here. So hope you got it. Okay, fine.